Hello and welcome to session 2 of Pasos para Prevenir Cancer. As promised, we will help you better understand the risk of obesity.
But before we dive deeper on this topic, we need to understand what obesity is. Someone is considered obese when their body fat is more than what it should be for someone their height and age. Obesity is not just a number, it is a medical condition.
Now that we explain what is considered obesity, let's talk about fat and its functions.
Did you know fat has 3 important functions? 1, to store energy, 2, to protect organs, and 3, it helps maintain function of the endocrine system. Fat tissue is comprised of fat cells, which are unique fat cells called adipocytes.
But how many types of fat do we have in our bodies?
Well, the human body contains 3 primary types of fat tissue: white, brown, and beige. The number of fat cells an individual has is determined by late adolescence and rarely changes during adulthood. However, adipocytes can increase and decrease in size depending on the amount of fat that the body is storing.
I've heard the most common fat in the body is white fat. Is that correct?
Yes, white fat is composed of white cells found just under the skin, around certain organs and certain areas of the body.
But where exactly can we find this type of fat?
In areas like the abdomen, arms, legs, and buttocks. The main purpose of this fat is to store energy, but also regulate hormones such as estrogen, insulin, cortisol, and growth hormones. It is important to understand that a certain level of white cells is important for regulation of bodily functions. However, too much can lead to life-threatening diseases.
So it is important to not exceed this type of fat in our body to keep a healthier lifestyle.
That's correct. Another type of fat is brown fat, which can be found primarily in babies.
I know, but also newer research coming out suggests that adults maintain some brown fat that is in the neck or shoulders.
Yes, brown fat burns fatty acids to help keep you warm.
But there are 3 types of fat. Which one are we missing?
The last type of fat is the beige fat. It is the less known type of fat, but researchers believe that it behaves similarly to brown fat. Also, researchers found that certain types of enzymes or proteins released when you exercise may help white cells convert into beige cells.
Now I understand better the different types of fat that exist in our bodies. So getting more exercise could actually help me reduce white fat in my body?
Exactly, but there is more. You should know that fats are named based on their location and function in the body, such as subcutaneous and visceral fats.
And what is the difference between subcutaneous and visceral fats?
Subcutaneous fats are located just under your skin and can be white, brown, or beige. On the other hand, visceral fat, or belly fat, is the white fat that is stored mostly in your belly, but it can also be found around major organs. In excess, this fat can be dangerous, leading to diseases like diabetes, cancer, or heart issues.
Does that mean that all fats are bad?
No, not all fats are bad. Essential fats that we eat, such as omega-3s, are named essential because our body cannot produce them, and we need them to keep our body going. Our bodies use essential fats to keep our heart healthy, skin healthy, and to prevent obesity.
Great! Now I understand all of our different types of fats, their locations, and how they can affect our health. I think I need to find where I can buy some essential fats.
We hope this information helps you to get a better understanding too. Don't forget to join us for our next video where we will explain how to measure your body fat and how to live a healthier lifestyle.